Kuchan. Please sit down, Mr. Owaisi. Yes, it's Mr. Owaisi's turn. Yes, yes.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I have a strong objection, sir, on the language and the words
Let him speak, yes.
used by the Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister and also by other political parties. And it was a very strong statement by Mr. Shailaja Nath saying that anybody who takes the name of Nizam would not be tolerated. I would request the Honorable Speaker to please give the ruling on this. Sir, I would like to know whatever is happening today in the state of Andhra Pradesh about the bifurcation of the state. How is the Nizam responsible for it? The people talking and uttering words against the Nizam do not have the courage and they are not bold enough to name the people responsible for the bifurcation of the state. Who is responsible? Is Nizam responsible for today's bifurcation? Who is responsible? The people of Andhra and Rayalaseema trusted Shailaja Nath. I want to ask him, who did he trust that the state would not be bifurcated? Who has betrayed his trust? Be bold enough and courageous enough, gather some strength and utter the word against the people responsible for the bifurcation of the state rather than criticizing Nizam. I would not like to go into the details, but I would like to know, I don't know how much of information he has. And also just now from TDP side also, a very senior leader was saying about Nizam. Sir, I don't know whether they know this or not. In 1962, sir, when India was having a war with China, it was the late Nizam who gave 120 kgs of gold to Indian Union government, Indian army to fight against China. It was the 9 crore defense bond which Nizam had given 9 crores in 1962. So you think that he was a traitor? He loved this country, and then for the sake of the integrity of this country, he had given that. Let us not go into the old wounds. If those wounds are scratched, it will bleed. The bleed will hurt both the sides. The bleed will hurt the Muslims, the bleed will hurt the Hindus, the bleed will hurt the Andhrites, the bleed will hurt the Telanganites, the bleed will hurt all the people of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Let us not go into that. Do you forget this? What Jawaharlal Nehru had said? Jawaharlal Nehru had said, if there is a real concept of India which exists and which can be called as a miniature India, mini India, that is the Hyderabad state of Nizam, he said. Is it not a history? Sir, Hyderabad was the state which gave proper, and I also have all the details of how much of money was given to how many mandirs. Nizam only was the person who had given money for the translation of Bhagavad Gita. Nizam gave money for many temples. I have all the details. When I speak, I'll give all the details. But why now? Why now scratching the wounds of the past? What is the report of Pandit Sundarlal, sir? Pandit Sundarlal said, 150,000 innocent people were massacred. When one talks about, Keshav Saab has talked about how in the well, the dead bodies were filled with that. Yes, sir. In Bolaram also, very near to Hyderabad, in Bolaram, in one night, 28 Muslims were burned alive. It is just one instance which I am giving. So I humbly request, and once again I tell that, please do not scratch the wounds. What Maulana Abul Kalam Azad from your party leader said, He said in his words, पुलिस सेक्शन एक ऐसा नासूर जख्म है जिसको मैं अपने साथ अपने खबर में ले जा रहा हूं. दिस इज द वोंड. निजाम हैज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड सर. टीडीपी के हमारे अभी सीनियर मेंबर बोले, सर हैदराबाद में व्हेन द फर्स्ट थर्मल पावर केम फ्रॉम हुसैन सागर में थर्मल का प्लांट था सब, यहां पर पावर जनरेट हुआ. और 84 में वो कॉपर के वायर्स को कॉपर के वायर्स को कौन बेचे साहब? एनटी रामाराव साहब आने के बाद में कौन बेचे साहब? उस वक्त एनटी रामाराव साहब आने के बाद में उसको बेचा गया कौन? ये तेलुगु देशम की गवर्नमेंट उसको लीज आउट करी थी साहब, उसको लीज आउट करी थी. आई वुड वंस अगेन से, अगर मैं यहां पे बोल रहा हूं साहब, प्लीज डू नॉट स्क्रैच द वुंड्स ऑफ द पास्ट. इट विल ब्लीड. द ब्लीड विल हर्ट एवरीबडी.
Yes.
Do not. As if for now we have lot of divisions, sir. Hearts are divided, thoughts are divided, minds are divided. Everybody is divided. Do not scratch the wounds. Yes. यहां पे तेलुगु देशम की तरफ से भी यही बोलते हैं. बाबू साहब says, what I am trying to say, understand. How many children you have? 2 children. Equal justice.
Yes, let us go into that later. Just
what justice? Why don't the Telugu Desam speak of what equal justice do they want for both the regions?
Yes.
आप जाके मोदी के साथ हाथ मिला लिए. It was this house only where the TDP leader said, I apologize to the Muslims of the state and I give my word, I will never go and shake my hands with BJP. Now why are you shaking your hands with Modi?
Yes, let's go
Why
into
are
that
you
later.
shaking your hands with Modi? अरे आप इस पे बात करिए. And when I am going to speak, I am going to speak on each and everything.
Yes.
What was Nizam? I am saying the word of Nizam. Yes, Nizam was a good leader, good ruler, able ruler who have ruled the state to prosperity, who has given the state in all walks of life. Not only that, sir, let us not forget the house, the assembly which we are here. This was also constructed and built by the late Nizam only. Nizam has contributed. And there are some wounds. Let us not heal that. And we are proud of Nizam. I would say that we are proud of Nizam. I am here very proud of Nizam and the Nizam's rule. Let us not go into that. When I am going to talk, I am going to give all the details of that, sir.